Meet Luke. This gorgeous 3-year-old hound mix has a story that will make your heart sing. Luke came to us from the Patrick County hoarding situation, but you'd never know what he's been through by his incredible spirit. While chaos swirled around him, Luke stood quietly at his kennel door with the most beautiful thing we've ever seen: cautious hope. He didn't bark or panic, he just waited, almost like he knew somehow his real life was about to begin. And wow, has he blossomed. This sweet boy went from a nearly blacked out kennel to mastering couch life like a pro. Luke's superpower? Making friends. He adores every human and dog he meets, from tiny tots to senior citizens. His happy-go-lucky personality and love for sniff-filled walks make him the perfect adventure buddy. This big, beautiful boy with the even bigger heart is ready to turn someone's house into a home. Could that someone be you? To learn more about Dogs Deserve Better Blue Ridge or our other adoptable animals, please visit dogsdeservebetter.org.